Want to use WhatsApp Business API for customer conversations? Then you've come to the right place. Today we'll show you how to get a WhatsApp API account on Respond.io. WhatsApp Business Platform, also known as WhatsApp API, is a solution for medium to large companies that need advanced WhatsApp capabilities for messaging at scale. However, WhatsApp API does not have its own user interface, so you'll need to connect it to a messaging software like Respond.io to send and receive messages. Setting up WhatsApp API on Respond.io is quick and easy, with no extra fees for hosting, maintenance, or message markups. You can also manage your WhatsApp business account here, from creating message templates for Meta's approval to monitoring your WABA balance. As a Meta business partner, Respond.io gets enhanced support directly from Meta, ensuring you receive a high level of service to keep your business running smoothly. Now that you know about the benefits of WhatsApp API with Respond.io, we'll show you how to set it up. You need two things to get started. A new phone number is required, as using an existing WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app number will permanently erase all contacts and messages. However, if you'd like to continue using your existing WhatsApp Business app number, you will be able to connect with Respond.io in an upcoming update, so stay tuned for that. Next, you also need a Respond.io account. Click on the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. Once you have these ready, let's set up your WhatsApp API account. On the Respond.io platform, go to Settings and click on Channels. Then, click on Add Channel, select WhatsApp Business API and click Connect. Choose between these two. Either you're connecting to a new or existing WhatsApp API account. In this video, we'll create a new account. Then, click Get Started. Next, go through the eligibility checks and click Connect with Facebook to log into your existing Facebook account. Click on Continue to grant Respond.io permission to manage your WhatsApp Business account and billing. Then, click Get Started. Next, select your verified business portfolio and click Next. Then, select Create a new WhatsApp business profile and proceed to fill in your business details. Next, add your WhatsApp phone number and choose your verification method. Input the 6-digit verification code and click Next. Click Finish to complete the setup process. Finally, select the phone number you want to connect to Respond.io and click Complete to finish the setup. And that's it, you've successfully completed the sign-up process. Ready to start using WhatsApp Business API? Try Respond.io and WhatsApp API for free by clicking the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Respond.io. And as always, keep the conversation going on Respond.io.